Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: CPU virtualization enabled, sufficient RAM and disk space. Next, pick a hypervisor that fits your host OS and download the installer. Go into BIOS/UEFI and turn on VTX or AMDV if it's off. This is why VMs run at near-native speed. Once done, install the hypervisor, open it, and prepare to create a new virtual machine image. This is the first actionable step to get a stable virtual PC ready. You now create the VM, set OS type, give it 2+V CPUs and the RAM you reserved, and create a virtual disk. Attach the OS ISO or cloud image to the virtual optical drive so the VM can boot the installer. Configure networking, NAT for safe internet, bridged for LAN visibility, and enable shared folders if you need host file access. Also set up snapshots or checkpoints so you can revert changes. This prevents data loss during risky installs or updates. You proceed to boot the VM and complete the OS installation just as on a physical machine. After installation, add guest tools or additions to enable drivers, clipboard, and shared folders. This is why performance and integration improve. Validate network connectivity, time sync, and responsiveness. If slow, increase RAM or vCPU and enable hardware acceleration. If something fails, check virtualization is enabled. Verify the ISO checksum and inspect hypervisor logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.